Welcome to BearFox Marketing. My name is Kurt Kleinpeter and I am the Marketing Director here at BearFox. I'm going to spend the next couple of minutes covering the 5 core aspects of our rankings to revenue strategy, why it matters to you, and what you can expect from us moving forward in the emails to come. A lot of clients come to us with a few main challenges. They need higher lead volume. Their lead quality sucks and they need better quality leads. They're looking to lower their acquisition cost or their cost per lead that's currently coming in to help better their profit margins. There's an increased competition in the area and they're losing market share, and it's noticeable. Sometimes it's just as simple as you're not experienced or have minimal digital marketing experience, or you just don't trust the company that you're currently using due to lack of communication or inconsistent results. If any of this resonates with you, then our rankings to revenue strategy can provide a ton of value. This rankings to revenue strategy is the exact strategy that we've used to help hundreds of businesses break through those pain points and scale their businesses. The primary focus of the rankings to revenue is based on SEO, but it's more than just the SEO strategy, right? We start by analyzing your current website, where we go through your health score, your mobile, desktop, server speed, as well as the site security of your website. Then we dive into your competition to understand what's the competitive landscape look like and what do we need to do to dominate your area. From there, we'll put together a keyword strategy that allows us to identify the short-term, mid-term, and long-term wins for getting your site ranked to those top pages, because that's where the bulk of the traffic is going to be stored. We'll show you how those relative keywords will help you drive traffic to convert people into new clients. We will also perform a CRO video analysis on your website, which is going to help us identify ways your website can convert higher based off of what you currently have running. If you're running paid ads through Google, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, or even Instagram, our team's going to perform an in-depth audit that will help provide structured feedback on what is working, what can be improved upon, and how you can maximize your return on ad spend that you're currently doing. If you're capturing emails and running email campaigns, our email marketing team is going to come in and conduct an audit, as well as provide insight on how to maximize that area of your campaigns. Lastly, we want to tie this all together with recommendations on overall strategy to help you scale and grow your business in the most cost-effective way possible. The rankings to revenue has a value of upwards of $9,000, and it's packed with insight, as you can see. And we're offering this at no cost to any qualified business. I hope this video helped provide an overview of what the rankings to revenue is. Be on the lookout for our next email that's going to hit your inbox here in a couple of days. There, we're going to dive deeper into the CRO aspect of what I mentioned earlier and why that's so important to tie this all together. Until then, my name is Kurt from BearFox Marketing, and I hope you have a good day.